ありがとうございました。よろしくお願いいたします。失礼いたします。はい。Sorry.
So welcome back. Indian people are attractive.
じゃない I think so.
Really?
Because you too. Especially women's.
For
go
women.
to-
Yeah.
Problem.
Yeah, that's have some problem.
Yes. So I have heard and I have read to newspapers and by internet.
Because of media, you are afraid.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum
Namaste.
and konnichiwa.
こんにちは。インド人の顔の方がもっとこうすごいくっきりしてる。すごい目と鼻と口がなんていうかちょっと違うタイプだ。
So today we will have few words with Miss Suzaki, who work in our office. So Suzaki-san, what is your work over here in the office? What do you do?
I'm なんていうの helping the exporting
Yeah,
the
she's
used car.
she's in export department.
Yes.
So
And
do so have you been to India before?
No.
You have never been to India?
Never been to India.
Do you
I hope to go to
you hope to go
as
to
soon as
India?
possible.
Which place do you know in India?
I don't know exactly how many cities in India.
Yeah.
So huge countries.
Yes, it's a really big country.
Yes,
Yeah.
very big. So I don't know. But I just know New Delhi.
New Delhi?
New Delhi.
And what about Bombay?
ボンベイもあるね。
Yeah.
から、どこがあるんだっけ
Bangalore.
バンガロール。
So you just know the really famous ones.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know the Taj Mahal?
Yes, of course.
You know?
Very famous place.
Yes. You
And
would
beautiful?
beautiful.
Yes.
Would you ever like
think
to
so.
visit to our Taj Mahal?
I'm hoping.
You're hoping.
Yes.
Do you feel India is safe country to visit?
I'm
About-
sorry, I'm not.
Not.
No.
As a Japanese, do you feel that it is safe to visit?
Japanese people
Yeah.
to
Do
go to
to go
India?
to India is safe? Do you feel? Not really.
We, I think we are going to. We are very interested in India.
Yeah.
But very, it's kind of dangerous city.
The image of
countries,
India.
yes,
Yeah.
very
It's really
scared to go.
And I think one of the main reason is language problem. I really think so, because Japanese people don't really speak English.
Maybe. Yeah, but I can understand a little bit English.
Yeah.
But I'm scared to go to
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Scared
I just,
about what?
About some bad news and.
You have heard bad news about India. Scared like if someone going to hit you or someone going to rob you. What kind of scare?
It's mean especially women's.
For
go
women.
to,
Yeah.
Problem.
Yeah, that's have some problem.
Yes. So I have heard and I have read to newspapers and by internet.
Because of media, you are afraid.
Yes. So
No problem. If you have someone over there, like if I am with you over there, then you are not afraid, right?
And yes, of course.
Then you can
Yes,
visit India.
Yes. Yeah.
Anything about India, if you think and it comes right in your mind. Anything. What are the two things? If you think about India, and what are the two things which comes in your mind?
Just two.
Yeah.
Just
two.
two.
Just two things.
They are eating curry.
Curry, yeah.
Every meal.
Every meal curry,
Every
yeah.
meal. And they are very clever.
They are clever.
I think smart.
Because most of the IT department in
Yes.
Japan also, many Indians are over here.
Yes.
So I would like to ask you, do you really like Indian curry? Is it really spicy? How is it taste for Japanese?
It's quite different.
Different?
Yes, quite different.
What kind of
It's
different?
really, it's we also curry.
Yeah.
It's curry, Japanese curry.
Yeah.
It's different.
It's different.
Yes.
Like spicy or
Not
something.
spicy.
What different in a good way or bad way?
Just to call curry.
Yeah, yeah.
Just curry.
Just curry.
Yes, but quite different.
Quite different.
Not spicy, not smelling.
Japanese curry, you mean,
Yes,
yeah.
Japanese curry is very sweet.
Sweet curry. Yeah.
So because we cannot eat hot, spicy food curry, so someone very good and likes spicy food,
Yeah.
spicy curries. But almost Japanese people they cannot eat
Yeah,
so
they
hot
yeah.
food at one moment.
ओके तो भाई इसका फोन आ गया अभी ऑफिस का हम आपको ले जा रहे हैं डायरेक्ट ऑफिस गर्ल के पास हम उनसे पूछ रहे हैं कि उनको इंडिया के बारे में क्या पता है उनका जो इमेज है वो इंडिया के बारे में क्या है वो इंडिया के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं देखो ये अभी बात कर रही है फोन पे
LOI のリテールが大丈夫だったかなと思ってそれが心配ではいであとありがとうございますそれございましたよろしくお願いいたします失礼いたしますはい Sorry
So welcome back.
Okay
You like curry?
Yes
Do
spicy
you have
foods.
Indian curry?
Yes
Yes.
I love
Do you like naan,
Yes
tandoori chicken and all
tandoori
that?
chicken and nani kebab
Kebab.
kebab
The Sikh kebab.
Sikh kebab
Yeah, Sikh kebab.
Yeah, mini and 何ダールある
What?
ダール
ダールyeah,
ダ
ダール
ダールとかあるでしょ
Yeah, and samosas and all that. So you have no problem with Indian food. You have no problem with Indian food. You can eat
No
anything.
problem.
No problem.
No, not
So
at
you have never been to India, right?
all. Yes.
Have you ever been to the neighbor country of India?
I have been to Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, okay.
Yes. Then I had stayed in Colombo
Yeah.
for 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Wow,
Maybe.
that is a long time.
Yeah, kind of. So it's same as India.
It's same as
I
India.
think so. So then I like to spicy food and Sri Lankans people also
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
Indians. So I I like to go to
Different places.
different place
And learn different
Asians,
cultures.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So do you think Indian people are attractive?
じゃない I think so.
Really?
Because you too.
How about Indian girls? Do Indian girls are beautiful?
Indian girls very beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
And how about Indian men? To be honest, like there are many
Yeah, good man.
good men.
Yeah.
So do Indian guys have any chance in future if they want to come and have a Japanese girlfriend? Do Indian people have chance for that? Can they attract Japanese girls? What do we need to attract Japanese girls?
I think Indian guy is very good,
Good.
and interesting.
Yeah, interesting.
And 優しいよね。優しいってなんていうの
Kind heart.
Yeah, kind
Yeah.
heart. Language problem.
Language problem. So we need to learn Japanese first of all.
Yes, I think so. Because Japanese people, so they cannot speak English.
Yeah. Because
So
many Indian men like Japanese girls. Japanese girls are
really?
very beautiful. Yeah.
I don't think so.
Really?
How beautiful.
I
So
think
Indians girls
are
I think
also
very
yeah.
beautiful and very so many
Big eyes,
big eyes,
wide eyes,
and,
yeah.
big nose, very nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
だってミスユニバースとかもう結構インディアンの人いるでしょ。
And please, I want to tell you that how many hours a day, because I see you always you are working. I have many time I have invited you to go to eat, to come to my place.
Yes.
But always you are working.
Yes.
So how many hours a day do you work? Please let us know honestly. How many hours a day do you work?
12 hours.
12 hours? I definitely bet more than that. Even now, it's like 18:15 and
Yes.
still you are in the office.
Yes.
And maybe after office also you go home and
yes.
you work.
I went to go home.
Yeah.
Then after eat dinner.
Dinner.
So then I'm going to start my job myself.
Yeah. I would like to tell you that Suzaki-san don't only work in the office. She also have her own business insurance company.
Yes.
And she also have to work over there and give the time to to her own company as well. So I have seen her working every time she's on a phone or she's working, maybe 24/7 she's working rather than sleeping.
24 hours for all year.
If you have to come to Japan and you need a Japanese wife or something, then you have to
They don't know, Japanese people, they don't know, so how to enjoy yourself,
yeah.
your life.
Yeah, they just keep working, right?
Yes, just keeping and go to home and good sleep and again working.
Just work and
Then
sleep and
finish
work.
life.
Yeah.
So it's boring. So I think they Japanese people, they have to know. So life is must
enjoying. So Miss Suzaki, if someone is watching this video and he have interest in you, then what the quality needed in him to get okay from you? What is the quality needed? Please tell. Yeah, you can be honest. What quality does the guy need? Like he has to be handsome, he have to be like kind, or he have to be
yes, of course, kind,
Yeah.
and must speaking Japanese well.
Yeah, but you speak English. That's not the problem. I think
Yeah,
so.
you don't no problem.
Yeah, but you
have no
even you speak English. So Indian people do speak English. So I think language is not a problem. As far as I think, language is not a problem. So what else does he need? Does he have to be hard worker or what? Please tell.
They have money.
Yeah, rich.
Yes,
Yes,
rich
must be
man.
rich man. Yeah, because if he is rich, then Suzaki-san can give time to him, right? Can reduce some workload and give time to him as well.
I think
If
so.
he is not rich, then Suzaki-san have to work maybe 18 hours a day and no time for him, right? So money is must. If you are rich, then please contact me. I will introduce you to beautiful
And
Suzaki-san.
handsome man.
And handsome as well. If rich, then not
Rich, handsome.
also.
And kind.
And kind also. I think we need to bring a man from heaven.
So some guys. So he's coming white horse.
White horse, really?
White horse.
So you are still waiting.
Yes, I'm waiting.
Till
for
when?
white horse.
Till when will you wait?
Good guy.
Till when? Till when will you wait? Itsumade matteru.
いつまで死ぬまで To die.
Till die, she is
die.
waiting.
Yes.
A man on a white horse
Yes.
with buckets of money behind him, kind heart. So if you are that man, please contact me. I will introduce to her.
Yes.
And
I'm really waiting for
such kind of person.
yes you.
So thank you very much for being with us on our video.
Oh.
I really appreciate it
Yes.
because all in India they wanted to hear something from Japanese girls about Indian culture and all that. So thanks for your time.
No, you're welcome. So I'm sorry. I'm just small things
Yeah.
about India. So I'm hoping to go to India.
Please
So
welcome.
yeah,
Please
I
come
want
to India. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so
And
much.
bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.